here. I'm Theresa Thomas. I'm the Executive Director for the Bluegrass Council of the Blind. And I just wanted to welcome everybody here for our grand opening of our new location here at 2265 Harrodsburg Road. We are so thrilled to have our new offices here, and I've got a wonderful group of people here. I'll let each person introduce themselves, and our council member of our 10th district that will be doing the cutting, but we'll start here on my left.
I am Denise Gray, Councilwoman for the 6th District.
And I'm Dave Sevigny. I'm the council member for the 10th District, which we are in the heart of, and we're so glad that you guys have joined us here.
I'm Arthur Abshire. I'm president of the Bluegrass Council Blind Board.
I'm Judy Potter, Vice President of the board.
My name is Matt Ferguson. I'm on the board of directors, plus I'm the chairman of the Lexington Lions Bluegrass Fair.
My name is Kimberly, I'm a board member.
I'm Councilmember James Brown.
Awesome. We have some other board members here with us today. I saw Len Cox and a few others. So Rebecca Parmley, treasurer. I just thank you everybody for all your support. We would not be here today if it wasn't for our community and the support we've received from the city of Lexington and from all of you. So without further ado, I'll have Dave cut the ribbon and welcome you to the Bluegrass Council of the Blind headquarters.
Yes, in the 10th District.
And the 10th district.
Thank you. Good job, you guys.
And Matt, you wanted to say a few words?
Sure. In case those folks that are here does not know, the mission of Bluegrass Council of the Lions is to increase independence, security, and quality of life for Kentuckians affected by vision loss through peer support, technology, training, and additional resources. I'm honored to be on the board of directors for the Bluegrass Council of the Blind and a member of the Lexington Lions Club. BCB programs are available to any person residing in Kentucky, regardless of socioeconomic status, race, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, age, religion, physical ability, or language. BCB is a 501c3, which means you can get out your checkbook. Okay? Additional support comes from membership dues, corporate and individual donors, and other grants and funding activities. The grants provided to Bluegrass Council of the Blind from the Lexington Lions Club is made possible by the hard work and dedication of Lions that work the Lexington Lions Club group at Bluegrass Fair each summer. We had one of our best fairs ever this past summer. And get out your phones, write this down on your calendar here in just a minute. June the 6th through the 16th is the 2024 Bluegrass Fair. Thanks to the fair, we can give to folks like the Bluegrass Council of the Blind. We can give to Tiller, Phipps. We can give to about 25 different organizations around Central Kentucky. So come join us, be a lion. I bet I can find you an application. We would love to have you. We will put you to work next summer at the fair. We would love to have you. And I am so pleased to be a member of Bluegrass Council of the Blind and the Lexington Lions Club. Thank you all for coming out.